Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. This is Chemistry Hour with Jenny. Welcome back once more. Today we shall be treating a topic in chemistry called electrolysis. Okay, this is a topic that most students always find difficult, especially the mathematical aspect. When it has to do with Faraday's laws of electrolysis, of course, we have two laws of electrolysis, the first and second law. I believe you know how to state them and make mathematical calculations on them. Okay, without further ado, electrolysis is simply the decomposition of a compound brought about by passing direct current either through the solution of the compound or the molten form of that compound. Okay, we have differences between electrochemical and the electrolytic cell. One of the differences is that in electrolytic cell, the anode is positive while the cathode is negative. While in an electrochemical cell, it is the direct opposite. The anode is negative and cathode is positive. Example of an electrolytic cell is the Hofmann voltameter, while examples of electrochemical cells are Daniell cell, Lakeland cell, lead acid accumulators. You should also know the differences between a secondary cell and a primary cell. For secondary cells, they are rechargeable when they run down. Example is the lead acid accumulator, just like the car battery. While the primary cells are those cells that are not rechargeable when they run down. Example, Daniell cell, just like the finger battery on the remote. Okay, now we'll have some sample questions on the board. We want to be solving some mathematical questions involving electrolysis, okay, applications of the first and second law of electrolysis. Now let's quickly go over to some of the questions we have on the board. It says a current of 2 ampere is passed through a copper 2 sulfate or copper 2 tetrazoyl sulfate 6. Please, that is the ion pack nomenclature. For your level, secondary school levels, those preparing for Jamb, please, you use the ion pack nomenclature. Copper 2 tetrazoyl sulfate 6 solution for 30 minutes. Calculate the mass of copper deposited, and you can see that the atomic mass of copper was given here. Now, we're going to be applying, I'll be using the second law to solve this problem, which states that the quantity of charge is equal to the product of current and time. Quantity of charge is equal to the product of